Hello our viewers. Welcome to Kenya Houses Investments Company Limited. Welcome to Kenya Houses Investments Company Limited. Our services as a company include house financing services, house construction services, and water drilling services across the country, Kenya, and other parts of Africa, including that is Tanzania, Uganda, Burundi, Rwanda, Congo Kinshasa, and South Sudan. We are located in Eldoret town, Kenya, along Iten Road, opposite the administration police line or near the fire station that is on the building called Sagatia Business Center, first floor, room number 13 to 26. Our telephone numbers are on the screen given there. And also our website is www.kenyahouses.co as given on that screen. This company is managed by a group of professionals from the construction industry and financial industry. Financial institutions like banks, SACCOs, insurance companies. This group of professionals also include the architects, the physical planners, the engineers, the contractors, the material suppliers, the quarry owners, and other professionals within the construction, that is property valuers and property surveyors. We as a company, we are equipped with the financial and technical capacity to bring services close to you and also to be efficient. We are so efficient and available. Our rates, our prices are very flexible and we can negotiate with you if maybe your budget is not fitting what you want. As a company, we can also finance you in case your financial capacity is not enough to facilitate a given project. We have flexible agreements, we have flexible rates, we have flexible prices, so that we target your pocket, your friendly pocket, so that we can go with your pocket, we can move, we can work with your pocket and also your budget. We welcome all people, we welcome all clients. We serve you as an individual, as a doctor, as a lawyer, as a teacher, as any civil servant, any business person. We serve companies, we serve entities, we serve investment groups, and even churches, religious people. We serve every person within the society. Most people, they don't understand how house construction concept is concerned. And this lack of understanding has made a lot of people to be so fearful to construct a house. Remember, a house is one of the basic needs to any human life, to any person. So we are encouraging people to have houses, to own homes, to have houses, so that their life can be so much valuable to them. Having a house is very much important because your life will be easy. And most people, it's not that they cannot afford, but they are so fearful to construct a house. So a house starts with you. A house starts with your brain. A house starts with your thinking. A house starts with what is in your mind. We as a company, our work is to interpret your mind from what it is thinking about to bring on paper. Once we bring this house plan on paper, we go through and make the changes that suit you and also that suit the laws of fiscal planning. After the house planning is over, then we present it to the government for approval. Now, every country has got different laws from one another that differ from one another the way they do approvals. For example, in Kenya, you start with the local authority, formerly known as the municipal councils or the city councils. Nowadays, it's called the county governments. So we present your plan to the county government concerned, where the land is, and also from there now we go a step further. We present your plan to the NEMA, that is National Environmental Authority. that is the authority that manages and regulates the environment under the laws of Kenya. From there now, the last step, we present your house plan to the National Construction Authority. So these are the steps that are concerned, or that they are supposed to be provided, or they are supposed to be followed when you are doing the house approval in Kenya. Most people only think that it's only the municipal or the county government that only approves the plan. No. If you have approved the plan with the county government, then that is not over. You still need to go ahead with the National Environmental Authority, and also then you proceed to the National Construction Authority. So in Kenya, there are three main government authorities that you need to be followed for the approval, for the full approval as far as the house construction industry is concerned, right? I think that point has been taken very clear. Another point is site preparation. That is the third one, the site preparation. How is your site? Meanwhile, while you are doing the approvals, then you need to also start doing the site preparation. Site preparation involves few things like, that is hoarding, enclosing the site against the unnecessary passerbys. So making the fence, or hoarding, that is using the temporary iron sheets to make the fence so that the site should be secure.
Waking We're now